Hey parents, ready to make dinner time fun and educational? It's the Money Mindset and we're so excited to share this super cool video with you. We're gonna learn about money, how to use it, save it, and even make it grow. Ask your child one question per day at dinner for a week based on the video info provided. So, gather around, grab your forks, and let's dig into dinner time money talks. Have you ever wondered what money is? It's not just those shiny coins or colorful bills we see every day. Money is like a special tool that helps us get the things we need and want. We use money to trade for things. When you give a shopkeeper money, it's like saying, "I want to trade this money for that awesome action figure." Saving money is super important. It's like having a superpower that lets you buy awesome things in the future. Instead of spending all your money right away, you can put some aside in a piggy bank or a special savings account. Think of it like building a tower with blocks. Each time you save, it's like adding another block to your tower. The more you save, the taller your tower gets, and the closer you are to buying that awesome thing you really want. A budget is like a plan for your money. It helps you decide how much money you can spend and how much you should save each month. Imagine you're going on a road trip. You wouldn't just hop in the car and start driving without a map, right? A budget is like a map for your money. It helps you reach your financial destination by showing you how much money you have to spend on things like gas, snacks, and souvenirs. The important thing is to track your spending and make sure you're staying on track with your financial goals. It's important to understand the difference between needs and wants when it comes to money. Needs are things we can't live without, like food, water, a safe place to live, and clothes to keep us warm. Wants, on the other hand, are things that would be nice to have, but we don't absolutely need them to survive. Think about it like this. Imagine you're building a giant pizza. The crust, sauce, and cheese are like your needs. Toppings are like our wants. Pepperoni, mushrooms, extra cheese. Those are all things that make our pizza extra delicious, but we don't absolutely need them to enjoy a slice. A bank is like a super safe and secure piggy bank where you can store your money. When you keep your money in a bank, it's not just sitting there doing nothing. Banks use your money to help other people in the community. They lend money to families buying new homes or businesses starting up. It's like your money is going on an adventure to help others. And the best part? Banks give you a little something called interest for letting them borrow your money. It's like a reward for being a super saver. Imagine you have a magical money tree in your backyard. This tree doesn't grow leaves, it grows money. That's kind of what interest is like. It's like free money that you earn just by saving your money in a bank account. The longer you save, the more interest you earn, and the bigger your money tree grows. Sometimes people need to borrow money to buy big things like a car or a house. That's where loans come in. Think of it like borrowing a toy from a friend. You promise to return the toy after you're done playing with it, right? A loan is similar. When you borrow money, you agree to pay it back over time, usually with interest. It's important to remember that loans are serious business. You should always borrow responsibly and make sure you can afford to repay the loan before you agree to it. Investing is like planting a money seed in a garden and watching it grow into a beautiful money-making tree. Instead of hiding your money under your mattress, you can invest it in things like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. These investments have the potential to grow your money faster than a traditional savings account. Of course, investing always involves some risk, but over the long term, investing can be a great way to build wealth and achieve your financial dreams. A credit card is like a special card that lets you borrow money from a bank to make purchases. But here's the catch. When you use a credit card, you're essentially borrowing money that you don't have yet. Just like with any loan, it's important to use credit cards responsibly and pay back the money you borrow on time. If you don't pay your credit card bill in full each month, you'll have to pay interest on the balance. So, use credit cards wisely. A debit card is like a direct line to your bank account. When you use a debit card, the money you spend comes straight out of your checking account. It's like using cash, but instead of carrying around a bunch of bills and coins, you can swipe your card. Plus, they offer a level of security that cash doesn't. If you lose your debit card, you can call the bank and have it canceled before anyone can use it. Remember, when you use a debit card, you're spending your own money, so it's essential to keep track of your spending and make sure you don't overdraw your account. Wow, we've learned so much about money. Remember, talking about money doesn't have to be boring or complicated. Keep the financial fun going. Ask these questions at dinner and watch your child's financial knowledge grow. Until next time, keep those money conversations flowing, and remember, you're never too young to start learning about finances.